Forget everything you know about text to video and image to video. The video you are watching right now was created using reference to video, a revolutionary AI feature that's completely changing how we create videos. Hello viewers, in this video I'm excited to introduce to you Vidu AI, a powerful tool with game-changing reference to video feature, and the best part, you can start using it for free. To use the reference to video, just visit vidu.com, then sign in with your email ID. Once you sign in, you will redirect to this page. In free plan, you will get 80 credit per month, and to generate a video, it will take 4 credit. You can use any Vidu model. Vidu 2.0 is the latest model. To use the reference to video, just click on the reference to video tab. Now you can upload the image. Here you can upload up to 3 images. For now, I will take 2 images. One is Thanos, another one is the mystical forest. Once you upload the images, if you want to crop, then you can crop here and click on the confirm button. Once you upload the images, you can write the prompt here. I already write the prompt and this is the prompt. Once you write the prompt, then move to the setting part. In duration, you can choose 4 seconds. 8 seconds is not supported yet. In resolution, you can choose the speed. In free plan, 720p is available in paid plan and 1080p it's not available yet. Now we move to the movement amplitude. So movement amplitude is like a control that lets you decide how much your characters move in a scene, whether they take a small step or big movement. So I will choose auto mode in movement amplitude. Then we move to the aspect ratio. I will choose the 16:9. There are other 2 options are available, 9:16 and 1:1. In amount, you can choose how many video you want to generate. In free plan, you can generate 1 video at a time. Once you're done with your setting part, you can click on the create button and the video will create. Alright, the video is ready. Let's take a look. However, the quality of the video is not quite up to the mark. To upgrade the SD quality, simply click on the SD button. This will cost 4 credit. So if you scroll up, you can see the SD quality of this video. Now let's see the video. After upgrading to SD quality, the video looks great and it accurately follows the prompt instruction from body movement to lighting. For the second video, I will use 3 images. The first image is the Joker and the other 2 are the same as before, Thanos and the mystical forest. So I uploaded the images and this is the prompt. The prompt is about Thanos and Joker walking together in a mystical forest. Let's create the video. So the second video really looked impressive, both the villains enjoying themselves and laughing together. I think they must love the mystical forest and maybe they will even decide to buy a home there. Well, you can also use the reference to video feature to create engaging ad videos for products and branding. So I am using these 3 images to create an ad where the tropical printed t-shirt is the featured product. Once you upload the image, you have to crop the image of the model and keep the face only. If you not crop the image, then the AI will confuse with the original outfit. So it's better to crop the image. Now this is the prompt. Let's create the video. I'm really impressed with how well it turned out. The Vidu AI seamlessly integrates the t-shirt onto the model and place her in that vibrant street. The colors pop, the moment feels natural and it perfectly showcases the product. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Would you click on this ad if you saw it online? Also share your own ideas for using this reference to video feature. I'm always looking for a new ways to use it. If you like this kind of content, then check out this playlist about AI tools. I have added the links in the I button, end screen and the pin comment. That's all for today's video. Hit the like button if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel.